Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sugar LR. So today I'm here to share with you guys how I grew my edges. So if you want to see that, just keep watching. Guys, I know this background is so noisy right now, so please pardon me. I'm in Lagos. I know Lagos is so noisy, like it's the noisiest place I've ever been to, so please pardon the background noise and everything. And as for my background, it's because this is the only place I can see good light in the house, in the entire house. Our house, it has white light, but it's not that bright. But I left all my filming equipment at home, you know, because of the lockdown, coronavirus and stuff. I had to travel back to Lagos, so please pardon me. So let's get into the video. The first thing I did was to stop braiding my hair, because I used to like braids a lot. I used to braid my hair most of the times. So I stopped braiding my hair because I noticed my hair was getting very unhealthy. I will place a video right here, or a picture right here, or here, or here. I don't know, anywhere it will show up right now. So I used to braid my hair and used to cut my front hairs all the time, and I kind of concluded that my hair would never grow because it never does. So I never actually realized that my hair could grow, like my front hair, my edges, it's always like messed up. So I stopped braiding. I'm not saying braiding is bad, but it depends on the kind of braid. If you're kind of like making tight braids all the time, just be sure that if you don't have strong hair or a healthy hairline, you must cut off. It must cut off, it must. So I stopped it, and I know it's good for me. I stopped braiding all the time. Even if I want to braid, I'll braid just the back and maybe gel up the front. So that was the first thing I did. And please, if you're here for me to, like, maybe you want to hear that this product helped my hair, my edges grow, no sis, no. So I was not even used to this natural hair thing, so I just got into it. So I'm still looking for the best products for my hair. Can you hear the sound of generators everywhere? This is Lagos, the most noisiest place ever. So guys, I'm editing this video right now, and I noticed how noisy the background was. Like, it is so noisy, and I'm thinking whether to upload this video or to just abandon it. But if you're seeing this video, that means I ended up uploading it, so please forgive me. Just just don't even listen to the noise, just focus on me, okay? And I promise I will make my next video better. I won't ever put out that kind of noise in my video again. I went out to film that video because of the lights out there, so please pardon me. I'm sorry, it won't happen again because I can't even deal with the noise. Talk more of you guys, so please, I'm so sorry for that. Please, I promise. Moving on. Secondly, I stopped combing my hair dry. Yeah, I used to comb my hair dry all the time, like all the time. Whenever I take out my braids, or whenever I take out my weaves, I used to comb my hair dry, and all the time I would notice a bunch of my hair in my comb, and I was like, it's normal. But once I stopped it, I used to comb my hair when it's wet. I used to wet my hair before combing it. I noticed less hair in my comb. Then I continued doing it, and it helped my hair a lot. So I stopped combing my hair dry, and my hair got to where it is today. I'm not saying my hair is perfect. It's not even yet to be where I want it to be, but at least we're getting there. So yeah, it's helped me a lot. And thirdly, I used to put my hair in weaves, like normal natural weave. I used to put my hair in weave because I used to go on weave-ons and on hair extensions and all that. So it helped my hair relax and breathe. So I think that's all that helped my hair. I didn't use any product. The only thing I used that actually helped my hair is that rice water. I made a video. If you've not seen my rice water video, I'll place it here or here. I don't know where it's up here. So please make sure to go watch it. The rice water also helped my hair. So if you want your edges to grow, it's very simple. Just stop doing some few things you know that is not good for your hair. Then if I don't know any good product, because I'm not used to this natural hair thing, I'm still getting into it. So with time I'll get much product that I need. So but for right now, I stopped doing some certain things and it helped my hair grow some. And again, you should try the rice water. It's very, very amazing. I'm telling you, it's so amazing. So try it. It will help your edges grow. And please, 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 I want to tell you guys this: don't compare your hair growth with somebody else's, because we all have different type of hair. Like as you can see my hair, I have genetic problem. We don't, all my family members, our hairline is messed up. Like right here it doesn't grow, but it did grow a little bit when I started using the rice water. So I'm pretty impressed with my hair. So right here, as you can see, it has problem everywhere. Is filled up with hair, but except for that one spot. So please don't compare your hair growth to somebody else's. Even if your hair doesn't grow fast, just be patient with it, because that's what I'm doing. All my friends has good hair, their hair grows faster than mine, but I don't compare my hair growth with them because I know how my hair is and how it grows. So I'm patient with it. I'm just taking it one step at a time. So I'm advising you do that. Don't compare your hair growth with somebody and say this person's hair is growing faster than mine. Don't do that. Just nurture your hair, pamper it like you do to your boob, you know. So I think that's it for today's video. Please go watch all my videos. I'm begging you, just help me grow. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please help me. And I thank you all guys for 40,000 views on my the recording video. That video is really so amazing. I can't even tell. I'm positive. I'm so happy. Thank you. So I'll list the things I just mentioned in my description down below, the things I stopped doing and the things I'm doing for my hair that helped my edges to bounce back to normal. Because as you can see, all these pictures right here, no, it's not saying it. So guys, if you have any product you can recommend to me to help my hair, if you have any product you can recommend to me for my hair to grow faster, just recommend to me, but make sure it won't damage my hair. So I think that would be it for today's video. Please, if you have any video ideas, like any video you'd like to see from me, just leave me a comment down below and I'll always come through for you. I notice you guys always love my hair videos more than all of the other videos I used to do. So maybe I'll get into the hair videos. Yeah. So I think that will be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, comment down below, share it if you like, and subscribe. Please get your girl to 1K subscribers. Get your girl to 1K subscribers, and that will mean a lot to me, like a whole lot to me. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.